AAI Mayor Ramon D. Bagatsing special race. All set now, ready to race number 5. Another 1300 meters. Anytime now, race number 5. And the race is on. Speedmaker from the outside by the Relish Dandino. Dapit Hapon racing in third, moving up by Darrell. It's entry number 2, Sir Jeboy. The favorite, Dugus Fantasy, is running in fifth by Darrell. Alongside is Cecilio. Lola Curry, and a long way back to Safety's Gold. Speedmaker by Anek. Dandino is running by Darrell. And moving up from the outside is Dapit Hapon. Dugus Fantasy by Darrell. In between runners, Sir Jeboy, Lola Curry, and Cecilio. And rounding the far turn, Speedmaker by Anek. Dandino pokes his nose by Darrell to grab the lead. Dugus Fantasy is racing in third by about 6 lengths. And Dapit Hapon, as they race the final corner, Dandino by Alencana, Speedmaker, and here comes Dugus Fantasies running by Darrell and Sir Jeboy. Last 150, Dandino, Speedmaker once again on the outside. Speedmaker, Dandino, Dugus Fantasy, and moving up is Sir Jeboy in between runners. Speedmaker, Sir Jeboy finish the game. Speedmaker, Dugus Fantasy, Dandino, Cecilio, Lola Curry, 6.